guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alina Mirza and that's the part 2 of the Q&A segment, which is continued, in which I'm talking with my sisters and discussing Q&A and just admiring each other's answers. So yeah. If you could change one thing about the world, what would it be and why?
Yeah, there's so much to change.
Change something. सना एक काम करते हैं. Let's change the location for some time. तुम्हारे पास भी थोड़ा सा टाइम रहेगा. हाथ धो के आते हैं आराम से बैठ के बस थोड़े बहुत क्वेश्चन रहेंगे नहीं कंप्लीट ही कर लेते हैं, है ना? अब यहाँ पे बैठ के मैं थक गई हूँ. Yeah, even I'm done with the food now. Let's. Okay guys, so we have changed the location and किसकी चांस चल रही थी? क्या चल रहा था?
मेरी चल रही थी. मुझसे पूछा था कि grateful what am I?
ये last
one thing I can change world or something.
क्या चेंज? हाँ, क्या करना चाहती हो चेंज?
I think there are two things. First of all, I would like to completely wipe off anger issues people have.
Oh,
I don't think there's any need of anger.
of being angry.
Yeah.
I think anger is irrelevant and it's very satanic.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, we should control negative energy. We should control our anger no matter what.
Hurtful things which can hurt people's feelings.
But that's something, you do it out of impulse. That's not something that...
That's what I want to keep...
Yeah, the controlling power. Yeah. I think that's a very good answer.
And one more thing, if I would want everyone to be grateful, because there's so many things that we have, like, for example, the nature. So if people will be grateful, they won't be, getting into unnecessary.
Yeah. That's true. Okay. Should I? Okay, you.
Yeah, your turn. अच्छा मेरी. What's something you're looking forward to in the near future? ये तो हो गया. Are you serious? आपने बोलना था. अच्छा near future नहीं था.
ये क्वेश्चन से कौन से वाले क्वेश्चन?
नहीं. बस वो क्वेश्चन था कि नेक्स्ट ईयर आपका क्या है, ये भी तो सेम
चाहिए क्या? What's something you're looking forward to in the near future? Oh, I just wrote some similar questions, right? In different languages. Anyway. But यार ये मेरे पास ही आया था तब भी. Looking वही. Okay, ask me another question.
If you could choose your own name, what would it be and why?
Oh my God, I think I should name.
मुझे पता है क्या?
कोरियन लीसा. यार पता नहीं कोरियन लीसा, मुझे लगता है कि पहले मेरे गाइस, अगर आप लोग नए हैं मेरे चैनल पे, आपको पता होना चाहिए मेरा चैनल का पहला नाम क्वीनली माइंडसेट नहीं था. इट वाज कोरियन लीसा. और मैं आई जस्ट गॉट इंस्पायर्ड बाय बिकॉज आई लाइक सो मच इनटू कोरियन कल्चर एट अ सर्टेन स्टेज ऑफ माय लाइफ. एंड Lisa, if you guys don't know, then there's Lisa from Blackpink, K-pop group.
It's about the name, just say it.
Oh yeah, I started telling my story. Oh my God, I love something celebrity. Or oh my God, yeah. Why I consider myself as a celebrity? I'm nothing right now. I have a main.
It's okay to be the main character of your own life.
I have a main lead syndrome. Okay, क्या था मेरा आंसर? Okay, question Korean Lisa. That's it.
Korean Lisa क्या नाम? Lisa बोला ना.
Korean Lisa.
You want
that's my tag name. Dude, what is Superman? What is Batman? What is Spider-Man? What is Wonder Woman?
They don't say American Superman. American वो है ये.
But Korean Lisa is a
what?
Is a brand.
You want me to simply call you Korean Lisa?
Yeah. Korean Lisa, do it.
Weird, but
call me Korean Lisa. Lisa, Korean Lisa.
हो गया. खड़ा हो ना.
Oh. Sana, you're on camera. Behave yourself. Don't come to your. Oh, I have to ask. What's your definition of success? I think that's a repetitive question, right?
Yeah, वो failure वाला था, उसका opposite समझ लो.
But that failure वाला was my personal question. I never asked it from this cue card. But that was failure. I am asking, what's your definition of success?
Being able to keep yourself happy in every kind of situation.
Content. Okay. No, I'll take different.
What?
पता नहीं. It was boring.
How mean!
It was a question of your kind.
What the hell?
It was a question for you.
Describe a place you've never been to but have always wanted to visit.
यार मैंने बहुत similar questions रखे हुए ना.
मैं भूल गई क्या था.
South Korea, South Korea,
Like
South Korea, South Korea.
Describe the moment that changed your perspective on life.
Oh,
ये भी थोड़ा beautiful लग रहा है मुझे.
it was like what's your life lesson type of. तो broken friendships and broken bonds, good bonds that you never imagined can get so foul with time. But
I believe friendships are actually temporary.
no. Some friendships are pure and permanent, but I believe in evil eye. When there's nothing wrong in a certain bond or a friendship or even in a relationship, then evil eye, works sometimes. And
Is this
sometimes
related to the question?
Yeah.
What the question?
The question was, what's something that changed your perspective towards
Achha,
life?
achha.
So I'm like, when certain bonds break, when you don't expect that, that kind of bond can also break and turn into something very, very bad. Then that's so my perspective was, I never believed it, but that happened, and that was so painful, excruciating. Don't make faces. That was a serious part of my life. I'm not
You
gonna
better
make-
not put that clip. क्या वो कहते हैं उसे clipping क्या? उसे क्या कहते हैं?
क्या?
उसे क्या कहते हैं? क्या? Clip.
क्या?
That poster on the you.
अभी हिंदी में बोलने नहीं आ रहा था।
नहीं आ रहा मुझे हिंदी में भी.
कोरियन में बोले।
क्या कहते हैं word?
किसे?
अरे YouTube पे जो like Yes. अंगूठा नाखून guys.
तुम्हें क्या नहीं लगा था?
मतलब
क्या नहीं लगा?
आप जो मेरे अजीब से लगा देती हैं expressions. I'm just warning you.
इस वक्त क्या हुआ उसका?
I was
मैं तो
making
कैसे
faces, ना?
स्कोल्ड कर रही थी, तुमने
I
मेरे
was
स्कोल्ड
making
में अपना
faces,
ड्रामा घुसा लिया।
I was making faces.
ड्रामा क्वीन।
Move on.
अरे
बस।
पंखी करे नौटंकी
छी मेरे
ओ, तेरा मुंह खुश हो गया, मेरे बाल पता है इतने वो है कीमती।
अच्छा चलो.
What's a book or a movie that has a significant impact on your life?
There's so many, but I have to think. I just can't say like this.
Obviously, you have to think.
I mean, I need some time.
Oh, just answer it.
I can't answer anything.
इसको मैं स्नो में दोबारा देखो गाइस, स्लो में देखो।
यार, I forgot every movie I watched. Dead Poet Society. How can I forget?
What?
Dead Poet Society.
यार तुम कब
That's
देख
a
रही हो?
very old movie, and it left me
Speechless.
traumatized. But it was good. But the impact was in a good way. I'm saying, not like
Okay.
traumatic.
Okay, so मुझसे भी पूछो ये वाला क्वेश्चन।
Yeah.
Traumatized.
आपको ये question boring लग रहा था?
मैं पूछा तो
Yeah.
बोलो, नेम अ मूवी विच मेक यू ट्रॉमेटाइज, ऐसा बोलो।
ये नहीं था question.
अरे मतलब थोड़ा
Yeah,
improvise करो।
movie traumatized.
बाय लाइफ।
That's not a movie.
Yeah, but that's a movie. Life is a movie.
But
and
there
I'm
is
the
a
main
movie called
character
Little
of my
Life.
movie.
There's a movie called
My
Little
life literally
which is
made me
actually very
traumatized. I
traumatizing.
have grown into something that I never imagined to be, and I
I'm
have
not saying
survived
it's
so
not
many
about
things.
that.
Okay, let's move on.
You need to move on.
I can't move on. Move on is not easy.
You're trauma dumping your viewers.
I think every person has some trauma, so I think it's very
Don't
common.
dump.
I'm not dumping. Are you guys traumatized by
Obviously.
my words? No.
Describe a place
Good
that
to
feels
share.
like home to you. आपसे नहीं पूछ रही मैं कुछ भी. Even if you have never lived there.
ये वैसे कुछ
अरे यार, I know the answer.
पता है, मैं उसका
I
बहुत
know
ही-
the answer.
क्या मैंने सुना नहीं?
Describe a place that feels like home to you, even if you have never lived there.
I'm not going to say South Korea. I'm going to say Kim Tae-young's heart.
I know. अरे गिरा
Oh,
रही है.
sorry guys. Sana, baby, जाने मन सीडी पाए
अन्ना भी
क्यूटी पाए जानू
अन्ना भी
मुंचकिन
अन्ना भी प्लीज डोंट डू दिस
लैला पुष्पा जाए और से
अरे बस से आगे बढ़ो
if you could choose one superpower what would it be and how would you use it सुपर पावर बताओ क्या लोगी भैया तुम सुपर पावर बांट रहे हैं हम लोग 5-5 रुपए में लो बेटा Anyway door is not a superpower, it's an equipment.
I know.
It's an equipment, baby.
I don't know any superpower. I don't watch Marvels. Spider-Man, that's all I know.
Your superpower could be Kamaria hila ke hila nahi najariya hila.
Okay, so you are asking superpower? I can teleport anywhere I want to. Now I can.
You can.
I wish to teleport everywhere. What? How do I state this?
Allah. क्या करूँ?
What was wrong about it?
No, you are funny. You are so funny. What's a place that always brings back?
What's a place that always brings back good memories for you?
No, not a single place.
Okay, next question.
Every place is super bad. I don't like any place. Ah!
And then you were talking about being grateful.
I'm just kidding. Good memories, definitely my house. Bad memories, definitely my house.
You literally at this place when you will go somewhere else, you can't say bad about it. You are literally. What can I say? You're so irritating.
But I've always been here only.
You're
All
calming my
whole
brain.
I am like a. I'm
calming my
like
brain.
guys. You know one thing about me. I'm a Rapunzel in real life, and I'm waiting for a Flynn Rider to save me because I have never been out to, you know. बस मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दिल्ली गई हूँ और उसके अलावा मैं आज तक कहीं पे भी नहीं गई.
And how is that relevant to this?
पता नहीं मुझे मन कर रहा था बोलने का मैंने बोल दिया.
You just know how to react. Okay, my
यार
turn.
कपड़े नहीं दिख रहे कुछ. अब दिख रहा ना.
हाँ बोलो.
क्या बोलूँ?
आप बोलो ना आप पूछो.
Kamaria hilla ke
Stop, I hate
hilla
this
ke
song.
hilla nahi hilla. If you could solve one global issue, what would it be and why?
Wars. I would just put an end to wars.
Oh,
Any
you-
kind of wars. I don't think land is worth enough to, choose
Yeah, like
our
we have
lives.
already so many problems in life. I think wars and all that
Everything is
also
very-
that just makes things worse. Fights over religion, fights
People
over
choosing
culture,
land over
fights-
lives.
Exactly,
How is that
people
relevant?
choosing land over. I don't know, like that's
Yeah, so that's global issue. So,
any kind of fight I would
yeah,
like.
any war.
But that was your question, but
Yeah.
even I am like. I
Agree. You agree on it.
Yeah.
You're not saying that. I said that. Don't steal my answer.
That's my view. That's my
If
personal
you could
view.
bring one, मुझे चाहिए कुछ.
अरे ले ले तू भी जाने
If you could bring one fictional character to life, who would it be and why?
As I said, I'm a Rapunzel, so I want to
I
bring
know, same.
Flynn Rider. My
Same.
Flynn Rider. When will I get my Flynn Rider? I don't
Same,
know.
same.
May Allah give me Flynn Rider only in life, in real life. You know why I like Flynn Rider?
Use a green flag.
He was a green flag. Plus, I think he was more about love and selflessness than
He was
material
so
wealth
good,
and
yeah.
all.
He's so
And
good.
he's so understanding. He's so
Yeah, yeah.
emotionally mature and compassionate and lovable. You can. I want someone
Men
that
written
I
by
can-
women.
Men written by women, and I think that kind of guy is something that you can sit and talk for long hours, and he's gonna be like listening to you, or even if he's gonna talking, you're gonna be like just looking at him, like he's so smart. He's so smart. He's like a Prince Charming.
He is a
He
prince
is Prince Charming. yeah.
eventually.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So I would like to bring Flynn Rider to life. Yeah. What's your answer? You can't say Flynn Rider is mine.
This was my answer.
This is mine. I am.
You like Christopher? You
Do
changed it now.
okay, जिसके बाल लंबे वो
Flynn
Rapunzel.
Rider.
जिसके बाल लंबे वो
Flynn
Rapunzel.
Rider
बाल दिखा
was
अपने, बाल
mine.
दिखा अपने.
You love Christopher.
My बाल is लंबा, लंबा
You love
दिखा.
Christopher.
जिसके बाल लंबे वो Rapunzel.
मैंने कटवा लिए हैं.
तो?
Rapunzel ने भी कटवा.
Rapunzel
ये भी कट गए थे. Thank you so
ठीक है.
much.
तुम शॉर्ट बाल
Thank you
वाली,
so much.
तुम शॉर्ट बाल वाली Rapunzel, मैं लॉन्ग बाल वाली.
पता है Flynn Rider ने में क्या कहा था?
क्या?
I have a thing for brunettes.
मुझे लगता है मेरी लव स्टोरी बन ही नहीं सकती जिंदगी
Flynn
में.
Rider मेरा हो गया.
Guys, I am unlucky in love. I think.
अबे यार इसमें भी. It's such a fun question. Anami, please.
Okay. मैं क्या पूछूं? What's a hobby or activity you've always wanted to try but haven't yet?
There's so many. I want to do everything.
Even I want to do like everything, but there's one hobby that I want to do like super bad.
I am going to learn how to play guitar very soon. That's my first aim after my exam.
Okay, so let's end the part 2 here. If you want to watch the further video, then go watch part 3. It's gonna be like out tomorrow. Thank you so much guys for watching the vlog. I hope you guys like it. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. I'll be back with new videos super soon. And yogi guess